Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. I'm going to do another video. So I'm going to do a video for that one of my viewers asked me to do. It was for the ONE token, ONE. So in this video, we're going to quickly look at the chart. We'll look at where things are at, and we'll come up with a good entry point and exit point. So I'm going to make this video fast. But for those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. Oftentimes I will share with you my journey. I let you guys know when I jump into a trade and what I set my take profit at, and then I just wait. And as soon as the profit hits, I do another video so that you guys can see that I'm good at picking good entries and exits. So if you're into crypto, please, and you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel right here, and then smack that notification bell so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. So let's go ahead and we'll get started with ONE. Where are we? Okay, boom, boom. Here's the chart. Okay, so this is ONE. I'm in TradingView right now, and what I've done is I've drawn the lines in here to kind of speed up this video for you guys so you can get right to it. If you're not using TradingView, I highly recommend it. They're giving away a 30-day trial. I do have a link down below in my description that you can try. So we'll go ahead and get started. So rather than going through all the indicators, I kind of just going to jump into the one that I use the most. So what I'm going to explain here is, for those of you guys that are new, is that when price action typically drops below these bases that I've drawn here, it usually comes back up. It's just a matter of waiting. Okay. So let me show you some examples real quick. Dropped, came back up, dropped right there, came back up, dropped right there, shot back up, cracked right there, went all the way down, ultimately came back up right there. Same thing with right here, broke this base right here, dropped down and came back up, broke the next base, broke the next base, came back up. And then here it's kind of stalled. It hasn't come back up. Doesn't mean it won't. History shows that it does. And then here, cracked, came back up on this base right here, cracked, came back up. And then over here, we've got another base here that we're starting to form that I think it's probably going to end up hitting. So right now we're up a little bit on the day. And I'm going to show you guys real quick that I do take profit on these. So here's my spreadsheet. Here's all the ones that have cleared recently since the 24th. I've also got 2 right here. And I've got another 3 right here that have cleared. So it's just a matter of waiting time. So I've got good percentages on my coins that are clearing right there. On my video channel, you will see I let you guys know I do videos when I jump in and then when I take profit. Okay, take profit, take profit. You guys can go ahead and watch any of these videos, see a more in-depth video of what I'm doing. So for those of you guys that are in on ONE or thinking about it, if somebody gave me $1,000 and said, Ryan, you need to put it in on ONE and you need to do it today, this is what I'm thinking. Okay, so we're kind of right now at the 19 cent mark. My thought is that if I ended up buying right now, I could take profit at anywhere up to like, we're at 19, so I could take profit at 22. I could take profit at 23, 0.238 cents. Might want to write these down. So 0.225, 0.239, 0.249, 0.2626, and then roughly around 0.2758. If it bounces back to 2758, that's when I would take profit, or I would take profit at any of these other points right here. Even if it drops down lower, it ultimately is going to, in my belief, based upon history, is going to at least be able to at least swing back to 2758, 0.2758. So if that happened, let's say it happened in 5 days from now, or a week from now, or a month from now, what I would end up doing is I would pull back. I would watch it for maybe 3, 4, 5 days, see what happens, and then I would look for my next entry point in on the dip. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys are finding this whole thing interesting, I have all sorts of video examples you guys can go watch on my channel. You can see I do the same thing on all these, and you can see even more examples on other coins that have a lot more examples of dropping and coming back up. But if you found that interesting and you've never seen anything like it before, please give it a thumbs up down below right here. And then that lets YouTube know that I'm providing you interesting, helpful information. So thanks guys for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and then smack that bell so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. I'm trying to speed up these videos a little bit faster for you guys. So I know your time is important to you. All right, thanks guys. And I will be jumping into more coins soon. Bye-bye.